welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I will be unboxing this package from one of my friends. The only thing that I know is that there are some Halloween products in this package. So let's begin the unboxing. Before I begin the unboxing, I just want to read here. So my friend has written, "Happy Halloween, here are some treats." Okay, interesting. Okay, so now I'm going to unbox this. Oh, okay, so the first thing you can see here is a Halloween scarecrow bag. Candy bag, I think it's a candy bag. Cool. Put that over here. Okay, so the second thing is this smaller bag with pumpkins, bats, and ghosts on it. Cool. Oh, okay, so now we got this indoor Halloween bear decoration with a witch hat and some witch clothes. That's cool. It's a witch bear. Oh, okay, then we got a solid pumpkin. That's cool. And then we got another smaller Halloween bag, candy bag. Okay, so this is the last thing. It's a witch with a cauldron, and it's a sign here, "Happy Halloween." Cool. Oh, okay, so this is magnetic, so you can stick this onto your fridge if you want to. That's really cool. Okay, so yeah, that was everything for this unboxing. I'm really happy that my friend gifted me these things. I really, enjoyed the treats that he sent. And my favorite thing of these 6 Halloween decorations is probably this witch. Because I really like that it sticks on the refrigerator, so that's really cool. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.